Hello everyone. Today we discussing about the cantilever retaining wall. This is the cantilever retaining wall. This is the portion called a stem. You can see the 3D modeling of the cantilever retaining wall. This is the stem. This is the stem height. This is the yield slab. This is the toe slab. The bottom portion is called a shear key. You can see the southwest isometric of this retaining wall. First we can see the reinforcement details in one by one. This is the retaining wall. The retaining walls are used to resist the earth sliding, and it is mainly used in tracks and highways. You can see the 3D modeling of the retaining wall. This is the retaining wall. The main reinforcement are to provided at the h by 2 distance or fully enlarged in the up to the stem height. First we can provide the main reinforcement. This is the main reinforcement to be provided at curtail at the h by 2 distance from the top of the stem. This is the main reinforcement. The center to center distance between this reinforcement is 240 mm. Next to be provided this sliding portion reinforcement also provided in you can show that reinforcement. This is the distribution bars provided on laterally in vertical horizontal direction. Next we can provide the vertical bars also. This is the vertical bars in cantilever retaining wall. Okay. Next, all the stem portion reinforcement should complete. Next, we can provide the base slab reinforcement. Next, we provided the base slab reinforcement. This is the earth load occurring top portion. The maximum bending moment in the main bars are provided in top portion only. This is the uplift pressure acting on this earth side. The main reinforcement provided on the bottom side. You can see the reinforcement, both tension main bars and compression bars. This is the bottom main bar. This is the top main bar. Means this is the yield slab main bar. This is the toe slab main bar. Just we can see the reinforcement in along both the length. Next, we provided the distribution bars also. This is the distribution bars. Next, finally, we can provide the horizontal bars in slab along the direction. Finally, we complete the retaining wall. This is a cantilever retaining wall. the curtail bar, this is the main bar, this is the cut portion, this is the blue color indicates the main reinforcement at heel slab, this is main reinforcement at toe slab, this is the distribution bars. In horizontal, this is the transfer direction distribution bars. This is also distribution bars provided in both the direction. Finally, we complete the 3D modeling of the cantilever retaining wall. Thank you.